Attention! May bago na namang bank foreclosed property dito sa Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. At ito, Adele and Lot Unit. Take note, no bidding basta walang kasabay. At as is, where is. Kaya kung mauna ka, sayong-sayo na to. This is a 4-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath home with space for 1 to 3 cars. Located in a prime spot inside Lancaster, New City. One of the most in-demand communities sa Cavite. Ang lot area ay 96 square meter, ang floor area 70 square meter. Perfect for growing families na gusto ng mas malaking space at corner and that advantage. Ang selling price ay 3,250,000. 20% down payment equals 650,000. 80% bank loan equals 2,600,000. Kung i-estimate natin, monthly amortization for 20 years nasa around 20 to 21,000 per month. So kung combined income nyo ay nasa 60,000 to 65,000 per month, pasado na kayo for loan approval. Pero reminder, bank fees and transfer of title not included ha. Mode of payment, PDC, MC, cash, or bank home loan. Ang ganda ng property na to, Adele and Lot. Malaki na, ready for new owners pa. At dahil no bidding, kung ikaw ang unang makapag-submit ng complete requirements, sayong-sayo na to. Lancaster, New City, General Trias, Cavite. Free house tour assistance available. Message us now. This is Jin Puig, your trusted PRC accredited real estate salesperson. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.